find the right mentor and the right community. Guys, look for businesses. Stop trying to follow the money and following shady people. Look for actual businesses that are out there. You can even check if they are registered. Is Forex a scam? This is Javiii. Welcome. So let's talk about something else that is sort of controversial. Now, is Forex a scam? Now, I've been on calls where people been asking that. Others told them that Forex is a scam and it does not make any sense. You cannot make any money with it because you just lose money. When you put the money in an account, that's how you lose it. Like literally, just point blank. They force you to lose money. You have then persons talking about live versus demo. You make a lot of money with the demo, but you can't make that with the live. Why is that? So there's a lot of questions surrounding scam or no scam. So tell me what you think. You watching this, do you think Forex is a scam? Because I personally don't. It's not a scam. If the banks, if institutions can do it, and remember they are trading in the foreign exchange market, they are trading the stock market. The stock market is just like the foreign exchange market, one just more liquid. Similar type of volatility, etc. So if they can do it, you can too. Nothing is impossible. It's not a scam. You just have to learn the things that you need to learn, and you need to manage yourself into this lifestyle. It is not a scam. There are things that you need to learn. Some of you guys, you already learn it, but you just don't know how to manage yourself. And that's where mentorship and courses and all these things come into play. You just need to learn how to manage yourself. And for those who learn the stuff that they need to learn, and I'm not talking about basic information that you can see online. I'm talking the true hardcore Forex information that is there behind the scenes. And for those persons who don't learn the things that they need to learn, what are you doing to actually learn that? It takes dedication, it takes focus, it takes more than just focusing on the money aspect. It takes a deeper self-discipline to actually find the things that are needed for trading. Are you someone that possesses that right now? Ask yourself that. And if not, what are you doing to actually get up to that level? Don't look at Forex trading as a scam because you cannot make money from it. You're not making money from it. That just means that you just need to push a little harder, go for the information, go a little deeper. I know, by extension, let's talk about courses. I find it very, very funny people ask, especially the next question that I'm about to answer. Are courses scam? There's a lot of scrutiny, there's a lot of arrogance, there's a lot of ignorance, there's a lot of conversation about selling courses online, especially when it comes down to foreign exchange trading. Now, there are people out there that are concerned about the courses that people are selling, saying that it is some master class, some deep information, some secret to foreign exchange trading, and people feel scammed afterwards, after buying it, and the information that they are getting is basic. Now, this creates a bad image. It brings high scrutiny to foreign exchange trading. It is hard for a person to put real information without people thinking that they are scammers. It is very hard. Now, I can't speak for everybody. I won't speak for those selling the courses. This is just what people are saying. I've been on calls with people telling me that, asking me certain questions because they are concerned. And I know deep down, courses do help. As a person that went on this foreign exchange trading by myself, I started out with a company. I got a course. It didn't work out, and I'm being totally honest, but I went on my own. Now, that course, that experience that I've had in the past, that doesn't mean that every course is bad. It just means that that one wasn't good. Now, a lot of people out there, they are getting good information, solid information. And by getting good mentorship, there are people out there just don't see them or don't hear of them yet. So I personally would never bash course because I know there are a lot of people out there that needs the guidance. It is crucial for them. They are not built like others out there who can just do it on their own. Others out there, they need that help. They need that guide to shorten the learning curve. So me personally, I will never bash course. I hear people say that they're adamant they will never buy a course. You can learn everything for free. Well, I'm here to tell you that free information don't work. You right now watching this video could say, alright, I've been in so many different free groups. How has your trading leveled up since? Did you learn something? Are you better for it? Answer that question. People get free ebooks, free groups, free courses, watching YouTube videos, looking at Google, researching information that is there, cheat sheets, they are all there right in your faces. So if you are doing this, how is this actually helping your trading? How have you leveled up since? Free information does not help, guys. This is why 98% of the people fail, not just with psychology, and I guess that is psychology in itself, because people, they're adamant that they will never buy a course because what? They can learn for free. It's a mindset. No, I'm not in agreement with people scamming people with courses. I believe that when you sell a course, it should be solid. You should then provide the information and the mentorship that you initially agreed you will. But at the end of it, a lot of people, they're traders. They're not necessarily mentors or teachers, and that is fine. They want to share information. This is totally fine. But bringing across information may not be as well, or some may not have the information to gather or to share. They just know this and that's what they do. And it seems very basic to you guys. So I will never say bash course, because course help a lot of people out there. Ask them yourself. Not me, but ask them if the course is up. Now, as it relates to why Forex mentors and educators sell courses, when it comes down to these things, we know that foreign exchange trading is boring. A lot of you guys love the thrill, love seeing the high profits. You like to see a lot of volatility, a lot of profits being shown, and you like to see that. That's entertaining. But the real thing behind all that is that Forex is boring. Selling a course, it's not something that a Forex mentor have to do. It's not a requirement. But at the end of the day, it actually benefits them. Not what you think, not just monetarily, but it also benefits them that they have a community of traders that they can trade with, that they can actually help, and they will help them in return. And with the repetitions, constantly going over the information and looking at the markets every single day, that is something that actually helps the mentor. The courses help, the mentorship help traders as well as the mentor. But also outside of that, selling a course gives them additional income stream. I will not go overlook that. It gives them income stream. If it's a person that is doing this as a business, then that is what they're doing for a living. So by selling a course, you cannot blame them for doing that. That's their business. For a person that scams doing that, then you can say something about that. But outside of that, the course is essential, especially when it's dealing with something that they're doing every single day. By helping another person, it is truly empowering. So listen, I don't think Forex is a scam. I don't think selling courses are a scam, and apart from the ones that are actually doing it as scammers. I mean, I've done a video sharing tips on how you guys can actually find the right mentor and the right community. Guys, look for businesses. Stop trying to follow the money and following shady people. Look for actual businesses that are out there. You can even check if they are registered. Now, I did a video to share some tips on how you can find the right community and the right mentor, guys. So check that out. With that said, this is Javiii FX. Peace.